Okay, this is Smart Grammar of English Attorney. Right now, just today we are on the way to see irregular verbs እናያቸዋለን። በተለይ እነዚህ ነገሮች ለሲምፕል ፓስት፣ ለፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት፣ ለፓስት ፐርፌክት ይጠቅሙናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ just you can practice it. Unless you recognize such words, you cannot just write simple past sentence መጻፍ አትችሉ፣ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት መጻፍ አትችሉ፣ ፓስት ፐርፌክት መጻፍ አትችሉም። ስለዚህ ሲምፕል ፓስት የሆነ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት የሆነ ፓስት ፐርፌክት የሆነ አረፍተ ነገር ለመስራት just you have to recognize such words v1 v2 v3 ማወቅ አለባችሁ። በተለይ v2 እና v3 ማለት ነው። now let us see speak spoke spoken በሉት speak spoke spoken go went go write wrote written take took taken buy bought bought come came come see saw see drink drank drank drunk drunk run ran run swim swam swam dig dug dug fly flew flew bring brought brought steal stole stole tell told told make made made say said said wake walk waken ወይም ደግሞ ይሄኛው ዌክድ ይቻላል፣ ኢዲ መጨመርም ይቻላል። ዌክድ ማለትም ይችላላችሁ። ዋክን ማለትም ይቻላል። ስሊፕ ስሌፕት ስሌፕት ናው ኒው ናው let us just continue the rest of this irregular verbs ሌሎችን እንቀጥላለን። just so you have to stay with me